On the pitch is unbelievable. The condition and the talent that he have. I think the easiest player that I manage after 11, 12 years that I am working like a coach.
Maurizio, listen, thank you very much for joining us. Listen, you're now in your 4th month as the head coach of Paris Saint-Germain. How is life in Paris for you now?
Life in Paris is really, really difficult at the moment because with this pandemic and with this crazy time that we are living here is really, really difficult. Only we are moving in between the hotel and the training ground and travel when we play. And it's a difficult moment. We are enjoying Paris Saint-Germain because I think it's a fantastic club. It's a massive club. And we are so happy to be here. But at the same time, there is no life around, around football. We have still, my family is in London, and the family of my member staff are in Spain. And of course, we are happy about all the things that are going really well here. But in the same time, we split with our family. It's been very, very tough.
Yeah, it is tough. It's new for everybody as well. So it is crazy times. But going back to when you signed for PSG, what was it about this project in Paris that got you back into management?
Yes, we knew very well that it's going to be really, really difficult because we follow the season when it started after the final of the Champions League against Bayern Munich. We know very well, and I know in my previous when I was a player, I knew very well the club too. It was for me, and for us when we decided to come because it was a massive challenge because the club is massive and the players that were here, of course, we really believe that we can, develop and to do a very good job together. And that was, I think, a little bit, the idea is to be involved again after 1 year and few months out of football. And with this all crazy moment, I think was the good for us was we really believe that was the good project to accept and start to work rather to start to work in pre-season. That always is better for any manager in different club, but was good to know and to adapt. A few months before to the pre-season and to start a real new season where you can work really hard to settle the principle. I think what was the most important thing is to accept the challenge that present in this moment Paris Saint-Germain, fighting for big things that we knew very well that it's going to be difficult and it's still difficult, but we are involved in the 3 competition and then we are going to fight until to the end.
One of your superstars, Kylian Mbappe, he spoke so positively about you at half-time in the last game in the Champions League against Bayern Munich and said that the confidence that you gave the players at half-time against Bayern Munich was amazing. Is this a team that needs convincing maybe that they can get over the line in the Champions League final?
I think they were very close last season playing the final, but of course that was a complete different Champions League that we are living now or living before when we arrived with Tottenham against Liverpool, on the final because it was completely different. But of course, Paris is a team that the people are dreaming about the Champions League. The club are dreaming about the Champions League, but the Champions League, to win the Champions League is not as easier like only dream. Paris Saint-Germain in the last 10, 11 years is dominate complete or the domestic competition. The domestic competition is like in this situation after more than 1 year that we are living in a very difficult time in life, but in football, you translate that football is the same. Now, it's all more the balance in between all the teams are there, and sometimes to believe that you can win the Champions League when you really dominate the domestic competition. Sometimes it's difficult to have this, exigence that make you, after when arrive the real, the big competition, that when you play again Bayern Munich or Real Madrid and this type of level of teams, sometimes you will miss something. That is why our idea when we arrive and what we want to build, we don't know if we are going to have time or not, but is to put a massive exigence in every single day that you work here. Not only the people that work in all the structure on the club, if not the player, to feel too the responsibility that Paris Saint-Germain is about to win everything, you know. But for that, you need to build and be strong in your principles. And I think that demands on a standard we need to push and to be higher standard. And that maybe is what still we miss on the club, and hope that we can change that.
I watched some of your game against Bayern in last week, and do you feel you have the perfect players to play against a team like Bayern? Because we all know that they're very aggressive, they press very high, they play a high line, and you've got the likes of Mbappe and Neymar who can run behind. And if you get the right pass in the right timing for that, you can really exploit their weaknesses.
Yes, I think Bayern Munich is a very good example of what we want to build, you know, here. And I think, of course, talking about the game, we knew very well that they are very aggressive. They are very aggressive. They try to press high, but in the same time, the defensive line sometimes can make the mistake because when if we were capable to break this first line of pressure and to play and to put player in position to run on the back four, we can damage a lot them. I think we were available, and I think we understand very well how we needed to play. Of course, Tuesday will be for sure different game, and we need to prepare again, and it will be different. And every game is different, but I think working really well, and we were capable because maybe I think with a little bit more, maybe more capacity to connect, I think to damage in a worse way. But I think, yes, it's a team, Bayern Munich, that plays so well. They are a real very good team. I think for me it's the best team on the world today. But I think watching the game after, I think we were able to damage, and I think that, of course, the team deserves a big credit for that.
Going back to Kylian Mbappe, I'm sure you get to talk about him a lot with anybody you speak to. Obviously a special young talent. What's it like working with this type of player, and where are you trying to help him develop in his game?
Yes, I think it's so easy to work with him because he's 22, but he's so mature, and in his mind is about to work and to play and score goals, and then easy to communicate because his Spanish is fantastic and his English is amazing, you know, and you can talk in English and Spanish and of course in French, and I think really easy. He's very humble. He's really humble. I think he's a lovely guy. Yes, lovely. It's impossible not love him because and on the end, on the pitch, it's unbelievable. You know, the condition and the talent that he have. And I think yes, I think it's the easier. I think the easiest player that I manage after 11, 12 years that I am working like a coach.
And domestically, I've looked at a few of your games this season. The league's proving a little bit more difficult than normal for PSG at the moment. Is that down to other teams strengthening, or is that maybe that PSG's focus is now the Champions League because you're so close again?
I think it's difficult, that question, because after the final of the Champions League on Bayern Munich on Portugal, I think was really close, you know, to the objective of the club. The team was really not consistent on the performance but not only on the domestic on the Ligue 1, if not on the Champions League, and you know very well because was involved in the group stage with Manchester United, and I think was really close to be out, you know. But the team was really irregular, and of course when you start the season like this, always is difficult because at the moment different team like Lille or Lyon or the same Monaco, they are only, you know, involved in domestic cup and the Ligue 1, and of course this league is very physical. Here, I think in one thing that maybe can be the number one in France is the physical condition here is really high, more than England, more than Spain or Italy. And how affect all this situation, I think, make the team maybe to for Paris Saint-Germain maybe drop a little bit in our performance. I think to be really close to win the Champions League, I think this season was like now is to be really focused again and to try to arrive to the final and with the possibility to win. Of course, it's going to be difficult because we play against Barcelona two games, and now we are going to play 2 games against Bayern Munich. It's going to be really tough Tuesday, and then the end is going to be on Manchester City or Dortmund. Yes, it's going to be tough. The Champions League this season is really tough for Paris Saint-Germain.
Okay, listen, Maurizio, I know you're a busy man, so thank you very much for your time, man, and good luck as well. Big game, but I think you guys have enough.
Thank you very much, Rio. It's always a pleasure to talk with you and with all the people on England. And of course, we miss you all. And for sure.
We'll see you again soon, I'm sure.
For sure. Okay, thank you very much.
Take care. Thank you, man.